Welcome to our exploration of website testing, what it is, and why it's an essential part of modern web development. In 2025, user experience has soared in priority, leading to a heightened demand for skilled testers. Getting started is easier than you think. We'll cover the essential skills and tools needed for effective website testing. Let's dive into the platforms where you can find paid opportunities in website testing. Curious about how much you can earn? We'll break down typical payment structures for testers. Understanding the testing process is crucial. Here's what you can expect when you become a tester. Meet people who turned website testing into a flourishing career. These success stories are sure to inspire you. Like any job, website testing comes with its challenges. Let's discuss common pitfalls and how to overcome them. What does the future hold for website testing? Here are trends to watch for beyond 2025. So, is website testing a viable income source in 2025? Let's wrap up what we've learned.